Greetings, modern-day seekers of truth and wisdom. I am Plato, and I extend my hand to guide you on a voyage through the realms of ideas and philosophies. Over the course of the next few minutes, I shall share my life, my insights, and how they may illuminate the path to enlightenment that you currently find yourself on. My journey began in Athens, Greece, in the year 427 BC, a time when the world was steeped in intellectual exploration and the quest for knowledge. The air was vibrant with debates, and the pursuit of wisdom was paramount. It was hard to turn a corner without being confronted by questions about one's purpose in life and the nature of civilization and existence. From my early years, I was drawn to the teachings of the philosopher Socrates, whose Socratic method of inquiry left an indelible mark on my own philosophical pursuits. I will educate you on a little-known fact. I once ventured beyond Athens to the city of Syracuse, Sicily, where I attempted to educate the ruler Dionysius II in the ways of philosophy, an endeavor met with its own challenges. Perhaps I would have been wise not to attempt such an undertaking. Nonetheless, let us now venture into the essence of my philosophy. I laid the foundation for what is now known as Western philosophy. My dialogues, including the Republic, the Symposium, and the Phaedrus, remain beacons of knowledge. Central to my philosophy is the concept of forms, the notion that abstract ideal concepts exist independently of the physical world. The pursuit of knowledge involves seeking these unchanging, transcendent forms. Furthermore, in The Republic, I introduced the Allegory of the Cave, a powerful metaphor that explores the nature of reality and enlightenment. It reminds us that perception can be deceptive and that the search for true understanding is a transformative journey. As I aged, my time in this earthly realm drew to a close. I departed this world in 347 BCE, leaving behind a legacy of thought that continues to inspire and challenge minds to this day. My passing marked the end of a life devoted to the pursuit of truth and wisdom. There is much to be learned from life. So, in parting, I offer you the following guidance. Seek knowledge. Strive for wisdom and knowledge as the foundation of a virtuous life. Question assumptions and embrace the pursuit of truth. Cultivate virtue in all things. Understand that the path to wisdom is inseparable from the cultivation of moral virtues. Goodness and wisdom go hand in hand. Pursue justice. Advocate for justice in society, for a just state reflects the harmony of the soul. Next, I urge you to challenge perceptions. Like the prisoners in the cave, question your perceptions and dare to explore the realm of ideas beyond the shadows. Lastly, embrace the journey. Life is a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Embrace it with curiosity, humility, and the desire to grow. In parting, my fellow seekers of wisdom, it is my deepest desire that you find illumination in the world of ideas. For it is the pursuit of truth that enriches the soul. As you journey forward, remember that the philosopher's quest is never ending. Farewell, and may the pursuit of wisdom guide your steps.